Hey, loan officers or future loan officers, if you're looking to grow your business, get trained by some of the best in the mortgage industry, and stay on top of this fast changing market, then you've probably realized something. There's a lot of noise out there, and it's unclear who you should listen to, who can actually give you information and training to be a really strong loan officer and succeed. So, as a 20-year veteran in the mortgage industry, I can tell you that you need content and you need clear, real, helpful advice from people who have walked this path before you. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through my top 10 favorite YouTube channels that are must follows for any loan officers who want to learn, who want to grow, and just really crush it in this business. If you're new to this channel, my name's Megan Marsh. I'm a 20-year veteran in the mortgage industry and an advocate for all loan officers, mortgage brokers who want to think bigger and bet on themselves in this amazing industry where you become an entrepreneur and a broker owner one day. But for those of you who are still new to being a loan officer, I know what that feels like. Back when I started there, we didn't have guidance. We didn't even have people creating YouTube channels or podcasts. It's why I wanted to give you my top 10 list of the people to watch on the internet, on YouTube. And if you're looking to be a loan officer and you need that training and guidance and you don't really have it around you. So let's dive into the channels that I would recommend to my loan officers if I was training you right now. Let's dig in. So the first channel on my list is Enrique in Greatness. Enrique does a great job for any of you who are looking to get licensed and you want to pass your NMLS test. He offers a lot of good information for those of you who maybe aren't quite in it yet or just getting into it. I feel like he is a go-to resource for all things becoming that loan officer. His channel's loaded with videos that help you pass the exam, understand basic concepts, and get licensed quickly. He's straight to the point, motivating, and perfect for new loan officers. Another YouTuber that I like is Sierra Elaine. Her channel is very interesting. I could tell when I started watching her that she was an influencer in other industries, and it's great to see when people switch over into an industry like the mortgage industry and people become loan officers. But she's a content creator turned loan officer, and honestly, her content's fire. She shares her journey, tips, daily experiences as an LO in a way that's authentic and relatable. So if you're building a brand, and you want to stand out, she's a great one to follow and take some cues from. I also like a loan officer who now is a mortgage broker owner, and the channel is Ask Dario. I found him on TikTok with some of his short videos and went over and wanted to see what he was doing on YouTube. And I feel like Dario, kind of like Sierra Elaine, gives you a really great behind the scenes look at what being a loan officer and mortgage broker owner is really like. From client interactions to business growth strategies, he's showing the real journey of building your business as a loan officer. Now, number 4 is The Lab, where you are right now, the Mortgage Business Academy. Now, this channel is close to my heart. It's our channel, and we created it to fill a gap in this industry that I couldn't find. And people just don't talk about opening your own business in the mortgage industry. And as loan officers, we don't just close loans, like we're building a business, a lot of times within somebody else's business. So if you've ever dreamed of becoming your own boss in the mortgage world, The Lab makes mortgage business ownership easy, and we give you a clear path on how this is done and how we can help you. Now let's go to number 5, which is McBilly Cy, which I believe McBilly used to be a loan officer, and you find that loan officers get good at some things. And he was great at generating leads. So if lead generation is what you're after, McBilly is your guy, and he teaches modern lead gen strategies, sales funnels, and even runs a company that plugs you into a system that brings you leads and also gives you the ability to follow up on those leads. I've seen that it's helped a lot of loan officers grow their business. It's worth checking out. Number 6 is one of the biggest channels of loan officers in our industry, and that's Jennifer Beeston. Jennifer has built an incredible personal brand through YouTube, and you can learn so much just by watching what she does. Now, she creates her videos for people who need mortgages. But if you're a new loan officer, you need to learn the same information, from mortgage education to FAQs. She shows how to serve your audience and grow your business at the same time. Creating your own YouTube channel is one of the best ways to grow a brand and a client base in today's market. Another good one is Win the House You Love. This, once again, is for consumers. While the channel focuses, more on educating home buyers, once again, it's a great learning tool and another great example for loan officers on how to build a brand in a different way that maybe isn't your name. Watch how they explain complicated topics in a simple, digestible way, and steal some of those strategies for your own content and in your own way. Number 8 is Mortgage Coach, which is with Dave Savage, who's been in the industry longer than I have. And what I like about his channel is this channel can be used for new people 15 years in. He covers things like scripts, sales strategies, expert interviews with loan officers who are killing it. Mortgage Coach is spot on for that high-level sales training, which you have to get if you're going to succeed. If you want to learn how to be a top producer, talk to clients, close deals, and present value, this channel is a gold mine. And he also has a product that can help you be that expert to your clients that you should also check out, called Mortgage Coach. Number 9 is the Loan Officer Podcast. That's with T-Lop. And T-Lop is one of the top mortgage podcasts today out there, and it's available on YouTube. It has great interviews, current market insights, and he really just talks about what it takes to succeed as a loan officer. So I would recommend, if you don't listen to the podcast, check it out on his YouTube channel. And last but not least is your Mortgage Millions Mentor with Elise. So if you're working on your sales game, which you should be, you should actually do sales before necessarily mortgage education, because you can't need mortgage training unless you get clients first. And so Elise's channel really is about building a business and knowing how to sell. She gives actionable sales advice, social media tips, and marketing strategies that are tailored specifically for loan officers who work in the mortgage industry. All right, so there you have it. That's my top 10 YouTube channels that every loan officer should be following and watching in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or already closing deals, these creators will help you stay sharp, grow your skills, and maybe even inspire you to build something bigger, to grow your business in a different way here on YouTube, where you're watching videos just like your clients are watching and looking for videos. Drop a comment with your favorite channel that I didn't mention or missed. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Join us here at the lab, where we make mortgage business ownership possible and easy. I have another video coming up soon with the list of the best podcasts to listen to for mortgage industry pros. So if you don't want to miss this video, make sure you also hit that bell so you get notified each time we release a new video. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep crushing it.